Hi again, Miss Baker. Here's another short video about how to recolor and work with things that are already made in Canva. So, in Canva, we're going to say create a design. We're going to pick poster, and then we're going to look at one of these already made, fabulously done, professional looking event posters. So I'm going to actually go all the way back up to the top and pick this one because it is free and because I saw it the other day when we were doing a video and I was like, that's really cool. Let's see what we can do to this. Now, the fabulous thing about this, and if you saw that little thing hides it, is that you can recolor pretty much anything on here. So the background is green. When you click that, if you wanted to change it to, say, blue for Chocolate Middle School, you could click blue, and there you have changed your background color. So, when you click on an object that's more than one color, you see all the colors listed. You change the color that you want to change. Say we want to change that green to gold. Oops, not orange. All these things we want to change the green, whoops, to CMS yellow, green, yellow. All right, so same with this. Select all of your font. Change your color. Let's change it to the same background color. Oh yeah. Select all that, change it to blue. Select all of that, change it to blue. It's really simple to change everything you want in here and make it your own. I'm going to change all that. We are going to make that orange. And blue again. Maybe we should make this one orange too. Not too much blue. So there you have it. Now you've made their poster yours because it's your colors instead of that green and yellow or green and blue or whatever it was. So anything like that that you see that you want to change, you can. Colors, what it says, if we wanted to use this and we wanted to change this fall basketball. Now let's do this. Let's see. Chocowinity Middle School. Fall basketball fundraiser. I want to make that the orange that the other thing had been. And then so I've changed the colors and everything. What I'm trying to do is fix this box. And apparently all of this is grouped together because when you move it, everything moves. So fix it back. What we're going to do is we're going to ungroup it so that you can see each of the items themselves. And I'm going to make this longer because I want it to be one line. Now what's great is when you move things around, it helps you find the center. Okay? So there's that. Now this has become ungrouped from the box behind it. So if you click the words, then you click that little box. It's not going to let me do it now. There we go. Then you can move them together. And I'm just going to arrow up. And I'm going to move this down a little bit. Okay. So anything you want. You can change. But just remember, as with everything, find things. Oh, look what it did. It changed that to Chocowinity Middle School. Oh my goodness. And we have just discovered something together. Canva is so smart. It's changing things to match the first thing that I did. Coming soon, Jazz Night Show. Very interesting. So you see, there are things that are going on in this program that I have yet to find out. So let's do some more Canva and let's learn some more stuff. Okay? That's it for right now. Go out, enjoy it. Bye.